Impetuous fire, what is a maid? Ice and desire, the world wags on. A rose will bloom, it then will fade. So does a youth, so does the fairest maid. Comes a time when one sweet smile has its season for a while, then love's in love with me. Some they think only to marry, others will tease and tarry. Mine is the very best parry. Cupid, he rules us all. Caper the caper, sing me the song. Death will come soon to hush us along. Sweeter than honey and bitter as gall. Love is a pastime that never will pall. Sweeter than honey and bitter as gall. Cupid, he rules us all. A rose will bloom, it then will fade. So does a youth, so does the fairest maid.
If I profane with my unworthiest hand this holy shrine, the gentle sin is this: my lips to blushing pilgrims ready stand, to smooth the rough touch with a gentle kiss.
Good pilgrim, you do wrong your hand too much. Which mannerly devotion shows in this? For saints have hands that pilgrims' hands do touch, and palm to palm is holy palm's kiss.
Have not saints lips, and holy palms too?
Aye, pilgrim, lips that they must use in prayer.
Oh then, dear saint, let lips do what hands do. They pray. Grant thou, lest faith turn to despair.
Saints do not move, though grant for prayer's sake.
Then move not. While my prayer's effect I take, thus from my lips, by thine, my sin is purged.
Then have my lips a sin that they have took?
Sin from my lips? Oh, trespass sweetly urged. Give me my sin again.
A rose will bloom, it then will fade. So does a youth, so does